The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the metal flush side rails. And we've just installed the Yakima SkyLine JetStream base roof rack system. So this system consists of the JetStream load bars in black. Silver is also available, 50 inches in length. The SkyLine towers, which have a quick release feature. Locks are available separately, but are recommended for this just because of that quick release feature, but it's strictly a security element. And connecting everything to the metal rails is landing pad 18. So overall you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed and crossbar spacing of 32 inches. So this will also work on Grand Cherokees from 2011 up to 2021 for this model. So that's just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase the complete system with a couple clicks, click the link in the description below. And that's gonna be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.